Hello and welcome to another update video about XRP. Yeah, it is weak, a little bit weaker than yesterday. We're heading sideways here at the moment. So as I told you, there is a potential that this, what we're currently doing, is still a wave 4. Yeah, a wave 4 can be a triangle. So we could very well see an A, B, C, D, E pattern here. A, B, C, D, E, that would eventually break out to the upside. Now, a wave 4 can be quite a frustrating wave, generally. Yeah. By the way, there is no guarantee this needs to become a triangle. Yeah, this could very well already have been the spike and the peak of this wave 4. So, to be very clear, my view is still that we're eventually going to head down. If we get one more leg up or not, we need to see, but my view is that this is pretty much getting to its exhaustion. As I said before, we cannot ignore, I can't ignore the strength of this move up. Absolutely not. This is a first good signal of XRP that it might get out of the mess, but it also is probably not more than a bear market rally, like a quick rally, yeah, because all of this is not bullish. Yeah, this is not a bullish pattern. Of course, I can't rule out that this will develop to something, but it's more of a gamble at the moment. It's not proper investing or trading. You can make money with this, but let's face it, most people will lose money with this. It's just what it is. And that is because it's not a sustainable breakout, in my opinion. That's just my opinion. It could be one, yeah, but then again, there will always be another entry point that will be more reliable than this. Because what I wanted to show you, it could be what I have currently got it as a wave 4, but there's even another count that we can apply here from the high, which we could actually count also in alternative. No, this was the wave 1. Then we moved down a WXY pattern. That is the current count. There is another count that we can apply here, which I'm not going to bother with, but it means that we can count this current move up as a wave B, which would even have a little bit more space. Yeah, in this move or in this wave B, if we count it like that, so it would basically be, just show you the snippet here. It would just basically count as an A, B, C. Yeah, we could still come down even when we move to 92 cents. So, and you say, okay, but you can still trade, of course, but it's just highly speculative. This is not a pattern. If you compare that to the Ethereum chart gives a much more reliable pattern. With XRP, we would need to break above that 92 cent level to basically invalidate this ABC pattern here. And invalidate, even then it's not invalidated, but it will become less likely. That's why I told you in the last video, the 92 cent level is very important. Maybe even the $1 level, right? So below 92 cents. We cannot ignore this, and it might become something because it has impulsive characteristics. But I always need to be very careful not to, as many others are doing with XRP at the moment, to hype it. Because if the entire move before was just simply corrective, then there's no point in suddenly switching scenarios here. So this is for me still likely to see another low. We had something similar with ADA back in May, I think, where it suddenly spiked to 69 cents. And also there, my view was we will see another low, which we eventually did. So it's just to be aware of that. Yeah. Now, I'm not denying that this was an important support level down here at 30 cents, yeah? And we've been trolling that support level for a long time. And if you're interested in XRP, of course, this is a DCA time to schedule to buy in. But it's more of, it's more speculation. It's more just luck if this suddenly starts to move up. It is nothing sustainable in my opinion at the moment, yeah. Not at the moment. This could become something, and then we can still look at it if we have something more reliable that we can use. But at the moment, I'm rather looking at one more low, even though I also own XRP. As I said, I'm open to the idea. This could become something more bullish. We can't ignore it, but we also need to be aware that all the preceding price action was bearish. So yeah, at the moment we can count the wave 4 possibly as an evolving triangle. So you can see, for example, that here we can get a few touch points. We might see the same here, even though the lower end is not really complete. So we only have not even 2 touch points down there. So this could become 1. It doesn't need to. It could also already break down. And the signal that we are breaking down would be if we move below 45.7 cents. And then the next major support level will be the 38.5 cent level. So if we lose that, then we're going to say goodbye. And then I think this was it already. Okay. If we make it to the upside, yeah, if we break to the upside here and see another move up, then it will be a move above 56 cents probably. And it could reach, where could we get to? Let's just measure that at the moment. Here we can measure the length of the wave 1. I think we talked about that in the previous video. We can measure the length of the wave 1 and we add it to the current low of the wave 4. And a target would be the 59 cent level. There would be the 1.618 extension of the wave 1, right? So that is one key target for a wave 5. Yesterday I already told you that we were deep in resistance. Yeah, we were overbought. I mean, it did break from there. We even have a bearish crossover now on the RSI. The MACD might be breaking down and we might see a bearish crossover here as well. Yeah, it is something interesting to watch. Yeah, but also we all need to be careful not to get emotional about this, as many are doing. It doesn't help. Yeah, whatever you're doing here and whatever decision you take, make sure it's not based on emotions. Okay, that's my update about XRP. So hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.